Hi there and welcome to the UkeStuff channel, and I have an unboxing today. Just as a disclaimer, if you don't like unboxing videos, please feel free to watch another video on this channel, but unboxing videos are a chance for me to show you what's coming up on the channel. So, this one is not an Amazon purchase. There is a company called Musician's Friend, and they offer a stupid deal of the day. And some time ago, I bought a Cordoba Protege, which I recently sold. That was from that company on one of their stupid deals of the day, and this is another one. So here it is. It's the D'Angelico New York. This is a concert ukulele. I'm not sure what comes with it. Originally priced, at least it shows $149.99, on sale for $59.99. Ended up being just under $64 with shipping. So let's see what you get. Keep in mind again that this would be normally a $150 instrument. Even if it's on sale, maybe let's say $90 to $120. So with that, you get nothing. You get no gig bag, you get no tuner, nothing. You just get this. So let's take a look and see what you get. You get a very cool headstock with that little metal piece. One of the most interesting headstocks that I've seen. There's a warning label about that it's been exposed to some products. You get a statement that you have Aquila Super Nylon Gut strings on it. Going down. Laminate ukulele with pegs, kind of a different bridge. You get that black binding around the sides and sort of a plain finish. Also a silicone pack on the inside. Oh, let me take off these tags right up here. Alright. Open geared tuners. So this is what is listed as $149.99. And I'll watch to see what the normal price goes back up to. I've seen them for a while, and after they've been on that stupid deal the day before, but I never bought it. And I've been waiting for it to go back on, and it finally went back on. So, unfortunately, my really cool tuner finally lost power. I haven't charged that thing for months, and I went to use it today, and it was out. So, unfortunately, I'm not going to have that today. So instead, I'll be using my Peterson strobe tuner. Just an idea of what this is going to sound like. I'll take the tuner off and turn it off for now. It's going to go badly out of tune, and that's okay. Boy, hey, really so quick. The sad part is some people would say that their ukulele is broken at that point. We know better. We know that that's not broken. We know that that's just what happens as those strings stretch in. But eventually, they should hold better. Just some first thoughts is the neck feels unfinished completely, so it's not like it's satin. It has a joint right at the top there in the middle of the neck. If you can see that, that's kind of a strange place for a more expensive ukulele. In terms of where that is placed. It does have side position markers. The bridge is kind of neat looking, but it's going to be interesting to try this one out for a while and give it a shot. So there it is, the new ukulele, just unboxed. Watch for this one to be reviewed in a couple of weeks. All right, thanks for watching the channel. I hope you're having a great day, and I will be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.